I have the neatest product, probably the best product I have ever tried if you are lazy when it comes to doing your skincare. Now, I love skincare and I love trying a bunch of products, but there are those days where I'm just in a hurry and I don't have time for goopy gloppy lotions, potions, serums, and a bunch of different steps, and I just want to quickly swipe something on my face and be done. Now, this is just one product, so it's not going to completely change your entire skincare routine, but this is an eye balm, but not just an eye balm. This acts as your eye cream, it acts as your eye serum, it acts as a super hydrating and moisturizing product around the eye area. But the reason I wanted to share this is because this also works as your highlighter in your makeup step, and it also works over top of your makeup throughout the day. If your under eyes are feeling puffy or dry or tired, you can use this over top of your makeup or under your makeup. This is by Tula. This is their Rose Glow and Get It Eye Balm, and they have 3, maybe even 4 different ones. I bought this one and I bought their other one that's for day and night. Now, this is more for daytime, but I wear it at night sometimes just for no reason because I like that beautiful highlighting effect that it gives. This is your eye cream in this nice little balm stick formula, but when you apply this on your eyes, it gives the most gorgeous highlighted look to the eyes. But it doesn't just make the eyes look pretty. This has really amazing ingredients in it. It also has caffeine, that's great for puffiness, has a lot of beautiful antioxidants. It also has, I think, rosehip oil in it, which they say is like a natural alternative for retinol, but I don't really know how potent that is, how much it would compare to retinol. But this basically is your one and done eye product, but it's a bunch of different products all in one. I'm dealing with, you know, some eye hollows, but I also have that puffiness, and some mornings this puffiness is super big. Like the other morning, my eyes were so puffy, I felt like it was giving me blurred vision in my left eye. But this is cooling also, so I will just swipe it on and it feels so good. But after a few minutes of having this under my eyes, and I'll even put it all on my eyelids, this will help reduce that puffiness, tighten it up. It is super duper hydrating and moisturizing, and what I love is I'd say after about 5 or 10 minutes after it's kind of soaked into my skin, when you touch this area, not only is it super hydrated and moisturized, but it almost is like a blurring filter in an eye balm. But the area is super firm and tight, but it's still super hydrated and moisturized. This is probably one of the neatest products I've ever tried, but I just love that it is lazy girl friendly. If you're in a hurry and you just want to boop, boop, quickly do your eye cream step, throw it in your purse or your pocket or whatever, you can use this midday over top to refresh your eyes. And of course, I love to use it as a highlighter after I have done my makeup. I even put it on my lips if I want a little bit of that 1990s kind of highlighted shimmer glow in the center of my lipstick. So I bought the pink one. I bought their white one first because I read the reviews. These have rave reviews. They won tons of awards, and I think these went like viral on TikTok or something. I don't have TikTok, but I heard that a lot of people said these are like a viral product. That's how they heard about them. But the white one, this is their 24/7 power swipe, and this one is super duper hydrating and moisturizing. Same type of formula, quick balm, just boop boop, swipe it on really fast. But this one is for daytime or nighttime, and it doesn't have that shimmer. Now, I have not bought the blue one yet, so have you tried the blue one? These come in, I wish I would have bought the kit, because the kit I think is almost like 50% off for all 3 of these, so it makes them super duper inexpensive compared to what you would, you know, pay for them separately. I should have done that instead of buying them separately. I am obsessed with these. I hate using that word, but I will say the hype is definitely real on these from all of the reviews that I've read. I love these. I'm just gonna pop up on some of the skincare benefits and results that they shared on their website. This says after one use, 96% of the people that tried it agreed that their skin felt hydrated. 93% agreed their skin looked smoother. This is after one time using it. After 1 week, it says 93% said their eyes looked less puffy, which that is one of the biggest things that I'm noticing. So not only does it give you these instant results, but of course, the more you keep using a product, you're gonna see even better results over time. It's been years since I used anything from this brand, but since I saw so many people raving about these online and I bought these, I ended up buying quite a few more things from the brand just to test them out. So I can't give you a review on all the other products I'm testing just yet because I just recently started testing out some of the other products. But one of the products I do really like that I will use underneath this eye balm for that little extra boost of hydration and moisture, their eye serum. I am really enjoying this. I absolutely love this applicator tip. It's a super lightweight serum, so it doesn't kind of weigh my eye skin down, but I will just put this on, let it absorb for a few minutes, and then put one of their eye balms over top. And I really love that combination because this also is really great for depuffing. So leave me a comment, let me know, are there any of those lazy girl products out there on the market that you absolutely love, that you can just swipe on or just use one step and your skincare is done? One other one that I can think of that is perfect if you are a lazy girl and you just want to get your skincare done really quickly, by the brand Dermatology, their tinted sunscreen. It's not really just a sunscreen. It is an anti-aging serum and a moisturizer all in one. My mom, that's pretty much all she uses for her skincare now, and since it's tinted, it works as a really kind of a sheer light foundation for her. I have shared that product in a ton of videos because it's been an absolute favorite for many, many years. So if you wanted to have the easiest skincare routine, I will pop that other video up on the screen if you wanted to click on it and check it out. So I better get off here and get ready, but I just wanted to say hi to you all, and I will see you in the next video.